What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. First and foremost, happy new year to all of you. We wish you guys nothing but the best for 2024. It's our plan, it's our aim. We're on a mission to keep you guys updated with the developments that are happening in Portmore. If we can get outside of Portmore, then we will definitely give you guys update on other properties as well. Nevertheless, we are here today at Hellshire View. It's been a while since we provided you guys with an update on this development. As you would have already known that the work had stopped for a little period of time, but I've seen where additional structures have been put up on the spot. So therefore we are out here today trying to give you guys a view of exactly what is happening. You guys will see the new structures. However, the pace at which you probably will be expecting the work to go, I'm not seeing that today. But hear what? The good thing is that the work has restarted. So we hope that as the time progresses, that you guys will be pleased with whatever work is going on at this development. All right, we're going to try our best to do a little bit more this year in terms of the updates and finding properties for you guys. I won't tell you exactly what we have in store, because you know a lot of times things change, your plan change, and what you initially wanted to do don't work out. But we will definitely give you guys more this year. That's our dream and our plan. So hope you guys just stick around to this channel. Remember, if you are new to the family, remember to like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. For those who are not getting notifications, just turn off the post notification bell and turn it back on. All right, so we're going to get into the drone shot right now. So guys, hope you enjoy this video, and we will definitely catch you on the other side of this shot. All right. Yes guys, so like I've said earlier, we have a few new structures here. So hope you guys enjoy that drone shot. Hope you enjoy the view. Hopefully somebody at the end of this development will be getting some of the views that we showed earlier in this drone footage. So guys, remember to continue to share the videos. Remember to tell your friend, to tell another friend, to tell your family, to tell their friend. Remember to support our channel guys. Remember to watch 2 of the ads. That's how we're going to grow. And the more that you support us, the better that we can get. So guys, we look forward to your continued support in the year 2024. And we hope to give you bigger and better things. So guys, keep updated to this channel as we provide you guys with all the necessary updates on the development. We will take them on 1 week at a time, 1 day at a time. Whenever they come, we will definitely push them out. So guys, enjoy the rest of your afternoon, the rest of your day, the rest of your night. I don't know what time you're watching this guys, but have a blessed one, and we wish you all the best for the rest of this new year. So take care guys, until next time. Peace out from Chris Sams.